A mobility scooter, wheelchair power assist? Yes, we'd like to introduce you to our new Portawheel mobility scooter wheelchair power assist. And the reason why we call it that is because it can be either a mobility scooter or it can be a power assist for your existing wheelchair. Now, I've spoken to many of my clients over the years, and when I ask them what it's like being in a wheelchair, most report it's okay. But what they hate most is running into ignorant people who treat them or regard them as less than capable or even less than human because of it. Mark, another client of mine, said what bothered him most was knowing how many social events he was missing out on because some of his friends didn't regard him as mobile enough, so they rather just avoided the hassle. I've also run into many carers who complain that coping with the strain and shoulder pain they get from pushing their clients around is simply getting too hard. They'd love a portable motorized solution that could remove the physical strain as well as allow their patients to be more independent. So it's with the goal of helping our clients to overcome these barriers that we've set out to find the perfect solution, and we think we have found just that. So if you have a standard manual wheelchair you're comfortable with, but could do with the convenience of owning a highly maneuverable motorized wheelchair to effortlessly scoot you around at shopping malls and smaller shops and other tight places, the Portawheel is for you. Now, if you'd like to make traveling easier by being able to easily unhitch your wheelchair and then fold the power assist gadget into a small lightweight bundle so you could lift it into a car, an airplane or a taxi, then the Portawheel may be ideal. Now, what if the same amazing gadget could transform your wheelchair into the most powerful and versatile mobility scooter on the market, with 3 adjustable speed settings of between 0 to 6 kilometers an hour, 6 to 18 kilometers an hour, and 18 to 28 kilometers an hour, plus high-performance disc brakes for safety, a range of 30 kilometers on the standard battery, and the ability to cope with the steeper hills of up to 20 degrees. Another bonus is that it also copes with all but the very roughest outdoor terrain out there. Now imagine increasing your range to an incredible 60 kilometers by adding an extra high-performance LiPo battery, meaning you get almost the same functionality of owning a petrol-driven moped, but with extra turning stability and comfortable seating. If you could benefit from the extra independence and opportunity this will give you, then the Portawheel is definitely for you. Visiting your friends throughout the town, running to the shops, or scooting around a city for a whole day turns into an effortless fun ride. To start off with, this video will demonstrate how absolutely simple and easy it is to hitch the Portawheel to your wheelchair. All you need to do is fit the crossbar, which the Portawheel attaches to, and use the high tensile safety pin to just securely latch the Portawheel to your wheelchair, and you'll see that unhitching is as simple. Just put your wheelchair brakes on, undo the safety pin, and voila, that's as easy as that. To start, we have to point out that should you wish to own the power and flexibility of the Portawheel, but you don't have a wheelchair, you can just order the optional hookup, a custom-built folding chair trailer with synchronized braking and comfortable seating. This combination will give you the most powerful mobility scooter available on the market today. So from a portability point of view, you can see that it folds up into a very small bundle and the battery is separated. It only weighs 12.5 kilograms and it fits neatly into your car's boot right next to your folded manual wheelchair. Now, what this means to you in practical terms is that if you are, like the lady in this video, capable of mounting or getting into your car by folding your wheelchair up, it means that you can simply unhitch your Portawheel, pop it into the back of your car's boot, and then proceed with your manual wheelchair to get in behind the driver's seat and disassemble your current manual wheelchair. So this, in effect, also provides you with incredible portability and versatility insofar as that you have a mobility scooter that you can load into the car all by yourself. You can also get around in public transport like trains with ease. With 3 adjustable speed settings of up to 6 kilometers per hour for indoor use and shopping centers, or 18 kilometers an hour for general use outside and on pavements, etc., or up to 28 kilometers an hour for when you really want to turn your Portawheel into giving you the functionality of a motorbike. And added to that, the standard battery provides up to 30 kilometers of range, and you can also get the 16.4 amp hour lithium battery, which extends this to an incredible 60 plus kilometer range for passengers weighing up to 100 kilograms. As for its all-terrain ability, the Portawheel handles true off-road terrain easily, but at speeds exceeding even the fastest mobility scooter. This ability to deal with even the harshest terrain, coupled with the extra long range and high-speed settings, remove all obstacles to your mobility. The other great feature of the Portawheel Mobilizer is its ability to climb even the steepest hills. Here in the factory, you can see how even a 20-degree ramp for a passenger weighing over 100 kilograms is no match for the powerful brushless hub motor and planetary gear reduction system. Just watch how easily this passenger climbs one of the steepest hills one would normally encounter. Now, will the Portawheel wheelchair mobilizer fit your wheelchair? In all probability, yes. The incredibly strong horizontal hitch post adjusts and therefore easily attaches to the lower parallel bars on about 95% of all standard manual wheelchair designs. The Portawheel then safely hitches onto the hitch post by means of a stainless steel clasp secured with a high tensile linchpin tested to international safety standards. If you inspect the robust adjustable design of the extruded hitch post, you'll see that anybody who can use a screwdriver will be able to fit the Portawheel to your own wheelchair and thereby give you the mobility you've only ever dreamt of. Just to conclude then, the Portawheel is already in its 3rd generation, meaning that all the technical issues have been ironed out during the last year. It's also fabricated from the highest grade aircraft alloy and stainless steel, making the unit rust-free. They also use the very best electric hub motors and highest quality lithium polymer batteries, allowing us to give you an extensive exchange warranty of up to 3 years on the motor and frame and 12 months on the batteries. It ships internationally to your doorstep by express courier, comes with a great 30-day money-back guarantee, and if you want to find out if your wheelchair will be able to use it, simply send us an email with a picture of your wheelchair or give us a call. If you can see that the wheelchair in the pictures are of similar design to yours, chances are just about 99% that it would work. And you are free to just place an order and wait for your Portawheel, which is going to help you break all your mobility barriers. Thanks for listening.